Fireplace is on rust.net. We're showing you a new product today. This is the new Vegas 72 from Fireplace World and Evolution Fires. So you might have seen one of our previous videos, which is one of the older models. It didn't have color changing flames. This one's a little bit different, much more advanced. As you can see, you have a blue flame here. We've got 3 different flame settings from an orange, a mix, and a blue. We also have a color changing ember bed. There's 10 different colors on the ember bed to change your mood, to change the ambiance, however you want it to look, customize it to your own liking. This guy here also has a built-in heater with a thermostat where you can set the temperature. So you can set it to 67, whatever you want it to be. Also canopy lighting here, or mood lighting if you will, to help light it up and set that mood as well. And that's all controllable from your remote control. So in case you lose the remote control, there's a touch screen control here where you can control the flame, the intensity of the flame, the colors, the heater, as well as there's a timer, and to turn it on and off, just in case this gets buried in the couch somewhere. You're not out of luck, you can still use your fireplace. So this guy mounts directly on the wall with the steel bracket. These 2 guys, you screw that in and lift it up, make sure it's level. Put it right up there. As you can see, it's safe to have a television above here. The built-in heater will not damage your TV. The heat blows out of the front and it's safe. Again, this is the Fireplace World Vegas electric fireplace. Oh, and this is also available in a number of different finishes as well. If you have any questions, give us a call at 1-855-485-4015. Thank you.